Hello, I'm Marcus with Woodland Direct. Today we're going to install the Detroit Radiant ELX series electric infrared heater by Reverberay. The first step will be to install the heating elements. This should only be done by your certified electrician. You're going to wear gloves when handling the heating elements because touching them with your bare hands could cause shortages in the future. Please make sure that the product is off and is cool to the touch. First, you're going to remove both service access panels. Then, you're going to open the lamp retainers by rotating the retainers on both sides of the unit. Position the heating elements in U slots and firmly press the ceramic connector end into the clips, doing one end at a time. Next, you need to remove the top wire retaining nut. Slide the ring terminal over the bolt until it meets the bottom retaining nut. Replace the top retaining nut, tighten to 15 inch-pounds. Do not over-tighten the nut, or you'll risk stripping the threads. Rotate the lamp retainer into a closed position. To install the rest of the elements, just repeat these steps. Then you will need to reinstall the service access panels. After those are installed, you will need to mount the heater. The mounting brackets can be located on the back of the heater. There are many different mounting options depending on your situation. Be sure to refer to the manual to go over the different options. The next step will be to have your certified electrician run the electrical lines to your heater. The electrical connection can be found on the back of the heater. These heaters operate at 120, 208, 240, and 277 volts. Please refer to the manual to confirm which voltage your unit is. Now, we need to install the protective guard. You'll need your J-clips and self-drilling screws to attach it to the heater. First, secure the J-clips on each of the 4 hooked ends of the guard. Make sure that each one is facing the same direction and that they can spin freely over the wire but will not slide off. Attach the wire guard to the heater by inserting 4 of the self-drilling screws through the holes on the J-clips and into the holes on the heater. Then, swing the wired guard into position and secure the other end by inserting the 4 remaining screws through each loop and into the holes on the heater. For future maintenance, only remove the screws on the loop side of the wire guard. These will allow the guard to swing out of the way, giving access to the heating elements. The final step will be to turn your patio heater on. That can be done in several ways, including installing a timer or a wall switch. And that is everything you need to know when installing the Detroit Radiant ELX series electric infrared heater. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-919-1904 or visit us at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.